In today's video, I'm going to teach you automated data import into QuickBooks Online, how to sync transactions automatically. If you want QuickBooks Online to pull in your banking activity for you, this process is very simple, and once it's set up, it can save you a lot of time on manual data entry. Automatic transaction syncing helps keep your books more current and makes it easier to review income and expenses in one place. To begin, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of QuickBooks Online and click on Accounting. From there, select Bank Transactions. This is the area where QuickBooks connects to your financial accounts and brings in transaction data for review. If you're new to this page, don't worry, this is the normal place to manage imported banking activity, and it's where the syncing setup starts. Once you're on the Bank Transactions screen, go to the top right corner and click Link Account. This is the button you'll use anytime you want to connect a new bank or credit card account to QuickBooks Online. After clicking it, QuickBooks will open a search window so you can find your financial institution. Now search for the bank you want to connect and select it from the list. Make sure you choose the correct institution, especially if your bank has multiple divisions or similar names. After selecting it, continue with the on-screen steps provided for that specific bank. In most cases, this includes signing in through a secure connection and completing a verification step. Depending on the bank, you may also be asked to confirm access using a code or approval method. As you go through this part, take your time and follow each prompt carefully. The exact screens can vary slightly from one bank to another, but the overall process is usually straightforward. QuickBooks is simply asking for permission to connect securely so it can import your transactions automatically. Once the verification is complete, your account will be linked and QuickBooks will begin syncing available transactions. After that, imported transactions will appear in the Bank Transactions area for you to review, categorize, and match as needed. Keep in mind that syncing brings the data into QuickBooks, but it's still a good habit to review everything regularly to make sure your records stay accurate. And that's it. You've now connected your bank account and enabled automatic transaction syncing in QuickBooks Online. This small setup can make bookkeeping much faster and more organized going forward.